morning. Good morning. We're going for a little flight this morning.
Good morning.
Woo!
And you know, we're gonna go fly the TB20 Trinidad this morning and see about where we go. We might find an exciting place.
Beautiful. What a beautiful day. The crew, my dad, my hubby, here we go. So we are gonna fly, I think, to Niagara Falls. Just a nice short flight, but we will be taking you on our ride with us and show you all the behind the scenes for a nice aviation flying day. If you guys haven't checked out my other flying vlog, I will link it above. You can watch it after this vid. So hope you enjoy. Thank you, thank you. Today is a flying day.
Beautiful day.
All right.
So where are we off to?
Well, we'll check it out. We were thinking maybe the Niagara Falls.
Beautiful.
And you can see the plane it's getting a little cool now, so we plug it in the morning just to warm up the engine.
Yeah.
And that warms the engine and the oil, and it's a lot easier on the equipment.
Perfect. Gets it all primed and prepped. Everyone's out and about. So you excited for our flying day?
Absolutely, it's a beautiful day. We'll see how it is up in the air.
Doing our prep.
Checking the fuel so there's no water in it, because water is not good in your fuel.
No.
It was clean, so I'm going to dump it back in the tank
Okay.
so we don't waste it.
So this is where the tank is?
This is one of the tanks. This is the right wing tank.
The right wing tank.
And then the other side, there's the left wing tank.
Oh,
So
neat.
those are your two main fuel tanks.
Beautiful. Everyone's looking sporty with their winter jackets because it's chilly here now in Canada, but it's a sunny day. Love it. Woo! Everyone's getting all their toys out.
Yeah.
All the fun.
Freshly painted, it looks like.
Yeah, this is a cool paint job.
Fire this up, you'll see, but I've upgraded the Avionics. Well, right now I'm putting an updated chip in my Garmin GTN 750iX, so I updated that chip yesterday.
Nice.
And you'll see when things start up how it looks, and we can go through some of the features.
Beautiful.
So what we have here now is a 750 and a 650 XI, the transponder, and I have two Garmin G5s here that give you a lot of flight data. And
Okay.
it's a great system. And of course, here's the new Garmin 500 Autopilot.
Okay.
All right. So we will get started so we can warm up and do our run-up.
Great.
Put on some strobe lights, make sure there's nobody around. We'll give it a bit of a boost. Your boost pump to get some fuel primed for the engine to start. And we'll crack the throttle here and we'll check again, clear, and down to the Niagara Falls area. So we'll go down past Toronto,
Okay.
Toronto Island, and then over towards Hamilton, and then St. Catharines, and then there. So when we get to St. Catharines, they'll let us know whether we can get into that area.
I've been waiting for you. Come with your friends and show me something new. Hey, yeah, it's a hell of a time. This world's insane, but we gon' be alright. The door is open, my light is on. Blow up your speakers when the bass drop. I feel elated, everyone should. Let's show this party how we do. Anytime, any day, you know the place. We're never turning down. Wherever you go, put your hands up. Say it loud, say it loud. Let's get together and let the good times roll. Let's get together. Everybody know. Let's get together. Let's get together. I know this is some kind of ride. Just leave your worries on the other side. Come on, we got all that we need. I'm gonna make some noise while I am young and free. The sky is open, the stars are up. We got each other, and that's enough. Just feel elated, everyone
Great job, Pep.
The old Socata TRINIDAD TB20 got us there and back very safely. It was a nice flight. And we went to Niagara Falls, and you'll see some great vids that my little daughter Abby took.
Yeah.
We'll post on her vlog, and
Like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for upcoming adventures in the TB20.
I love it. Woo! Dan, sign out. What do you want to say to the vlog?
Beautiful flight. Awesome day.
We liked some really good footage.
That's it. Stay tuned for more.
Woo!
Look at this plane.
I gotta button her up now.
Come on, tug. So what are we doing now, Fa?
Well, I've got to button up the plane and put the plugs in, and just do the post-flight
Maintenance check.
cleanup
Okay.
and the plugs.
Cool.
Fill out my logbook, so you'll have to give me a few minutes.
Okay. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed today's vlog, a little flying day, Sunday fun day. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this kind of content, woo, there's a plane going by. If you like this kind of content, make sure you let me know in the comment section below, because then I can bring you guys more flying aviation videos and all that fun content. So stay tuned for more. There'll definitely be more, and have a great day.